In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passport size photo and change background. First, we will need to get the size of the width, the height and the resolution of the passport. We are going to use this measurement: width 1.2 inch, height 1.4 inch, resolution 300 pixel. We select our crop tool, select the image, then select image size. In this dialog box, we'll select custom and change the width and the height to inches, then make the width 1.2 inch. The height will change to 1.4 automatically as long as this link is active. Then we enter the resolution 300, then click OK. To change the background to a plain color, we pick our quick selection tool and click the select subject. We wait for Photoshop to select our subject. Then we click on Max. We can then change the background color by clicking on the adjustment layer and select solid color. Then in the solid color dialog box, we select any color of choice. Let's use red for this. Then click OK. We then drag our solid layer below our maxed image. Now you have your background color changed. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to get updated on new videos. Also take out time to go through these videos as you keep learning and keep creating. Thank you.